morning, everybody. About 8:30, all packed up and everything. Been up for a while, but it's been raining off and on, so I was trying to wait around and see if it was going to quit, but it's just been light rain, stop, light rain, stop, so I figured just go ahead and get packed up. And we only got 11 miles to Route 11. That's the road that'll take me into Marion. And then Coach's place, Marion Outdoors, be a couple miles further. I'm not exactly sure how far, but that's where we're heading today. And yeah. But anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and get back to you here in a little while. What's up, everybody? So, made it to Coach's place, the Marion Inn, and the outfitter beside here, the Marion Outdoors. He runs both of these. But yeah, thought I'd show y'all around the hostel up here. Alright, so he hooked me up with my own room, which was really appreciated. Got a bunch of hiker box stuff, unlimited coffee, tea, and so on. Laundry is included. I have more hiker box stuff, and then pots and pans. Got all kinds of stuff to cook with a little bit. Bunch of liner clothes, towels, wash racks. Showers with all the stuff. Big dryer over there. Got another tub in here and bathroom. Got one bunk room in here. Got another bunk room with privacy curtains. Got another bathroom right here. Another bunk room. And then in here is just a little sitting area, lounge, with a TV. But yeah, I've really enjoyed my stay here. And Coach and everybody that works here, they're just such awesome people. And yeah, this isn't the same day. I actually got vortexed here, and as y'all can see, hang on. It's been all gray and nasty. Rained all day. Well, y'all seen in the video, I was riding in the rain more or less all day. And yesterday it rained for most of the day. And I was planning on leaving this morning. But it's been raining and raining and raining. It just quit like 10 minutes ago. It's already like 10:30. But just, it's my adventure and I'm just taking my time. If I'm able to wait out weather and not have to ride in miserable conditions and stuff, might as well do it. Coach told me last night I was more than welcome to hang out today if I wanted to. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. But yeah. Anyways, tomorrow, I think they're closed today at the outfitter. But if they're open tomorrow, I'll give y'all a little tour down there before I leave. Anyways, I hope you all have an amazing day.